Welcome to TepTV's Read with Faith. Thank you guys for your likes, comments, and subscription. Kindly keep the comments rolling in. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow us on Instagram at TepTV. On this show, we bring you to all the latest gist and happenings in Nigeria and across the world. I hope you guys had a great week. Well, I did too. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo is reportedly plotting to establish a new political party ahead of 2023 general election. According to Vanguard, the new party would also accommodate aggrieved members of the All Progressive Congress (APC) and the People Democratic Party (PDP). Nigerian popular rapper Larry Fasasi, aka Sound Sultan,
I spend my money every day on top woman. I no care if she walk away to another man. I am ready to be your mugu.
Lost his battle to cancer of the throat. He passed away at the age of 44. He left behind a wife and 3 children. Tax for the month. For this month of July 2021, TepTV is asking our viewers to invite 15 subscribers and sending the screenshots of each subscriber to our WhatsApp number. The winner goes away with 5,000 Naira cash prize. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And again, tell everyone and everybody about TepTV. Bye for now.